told you it's nice. There.
Kanbada dilerim
Ничего.
Ну.
Guys, you just want to take one, it's $20 for a piece. Already mostly dry, good to go right now. Once it gets dry, you can roll it up this side, like a small tube, and put it in a suitcase, so it's really easy to carry around. Even this one right now, I can roll it up like half, and put it in a plastic bag. Just tell me which one do you like the best. And I have a couple more here, absolutely dry. Just touch this part.
Yeah.
See, once it gets dry, you can roll it up.
Сюда.